Doc McStuffin's doctor's set. So you have Lanny, Doc McStuffin's friend. And there's Doc McStuffin. And then we've also got Stuffy. And Stuffy... So why don't we have a look, Doc McStuffin, to see what's in the box? Oh, it looks like you've got a book of boo-boos. Let's see what else you found, Doc McStuffin. Ooh, what's that? Oh, I wonder what it does. Can you press the button? Why don't you help Lanny out, Doc McStuffin, and press the button? He's fine. He's fine, Lanny. What else is in there, Doc? I think that's it, Doc McStuffin. Close your